Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the name of your website here on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the name of your website here on Wix is a straightforward process that can be a strategic decision influenced by a lot of factors. For example, your business may evolve and you want to rebrand to better reflect your current vision, mission, or values. Obviously, a new name can signify this transformation. Once you are logged into your account, if you are on the Wix website builder, if you click on the site settings, you're not going to be able to have an option to change the website name. Instead, what I want you to do is go to the site button here and click on My Dashboard. What will happen is you would be forwarded here on this section. There's going to be a 3 dots icon here that says Rename Site. Okay, so in this case, for example, if you want to rename your site such as this one, all right, all you have to do is click on Save. Okay, that's it. That's the only way for you to do it. Now, if you are having problems editing your website name here on your account, okay, what I want you to do is go into the upper right corner and click the Wix customer service. Okay, so this is going to be the channel we're in. You can contact them regarding about problems or technical issues you encounter changing the name of your website. Normally, there's could be a bug or a glitch or the website is down. All you have to do is hover to these channels. Okay, contact us, and if you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you're having problems changing the name of your website here on Wix. Okay, one of the support staff will give you insight and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Remember that a new name can help clarify the purpose or focus of your website, especially if you have shifted your offerings, your niche, or services. If your current name is similar to competitors or could lead to confusion among users, changing it can help establish your unique identity. Or maybe if you have expanded or changed your products or services significantly, a new name can better encompass your current offerings. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.